The Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI, has taken action against Asmita Patel Global School of Trading Private Limited, also known as AGSTPL. SEBI received complaints from individuals who felt cheated by AGSTPL's promises. These complaints allege that AGSTPL was operating as an unregistered investment advisor. SEBI's investigation uncovered deceptive practices. AGSTPL, led by Asmita and Jitesh Patel, lured individuals with promises of quick riches. They promised high returns, often exceeding 40% annually. Participants were left high and dry, their money vanishing into thin air. AGSTPL's operations went beyond just offering expensive courses. They used a web of proprietary firms to handle their financial transactions. These firms, like King Traders and Gemini Enterprise, acted as fronts for AGSTPL's illegal activities. They collected exorbitant fees, bypassing tax regulations. This raised red flags for SEBI. AGSTPL manipulated trading accounts of their students. They provided stock tips through channels like Telegram and Zoom. Students were encouraged to trade based on these tips. However, these tips often benefited AGSTPL, not the students. AGSTPL's directors boasted about managing a massive portfolio. They claimed extraordinary returns through their strategies. These claims were elaborate lies to lure more individuals. The truth was far from their claims. Their actions violated SEBI regulations, risking individuals' money. SEBI's investigation exposed AGSTPL's dark operations. Their actions were not just unethical, but illegal. They played a dangerous game with people's financial well-being. The accusations against AGSTPL were grave. SEBI's investigation unearthed a mountain of evidence against AGSTPL. Despite disclaimers in their course agreements denying financial liability, SEBI found concrete proof of direct trade recommendations. Chats, recordings of online sessions, emails and Telegram messages all pointed towards AGSTPL providing unregistered investment advisory services. Their actions directly violated the SEBI Act, 1992, and other related regulations like the Investment Advisors Regulations 2013. They operated outside the regulatory framework, putting investors' money at risk. The investigation also found that AGSTPL used a specific stockbroker, ABC Limited, for opening trading accounts for their students. Coincidentally, Asmita Patel was an authorized person with this brokerage firm. This raised serious concerns about conflict of interest and potential manipulation of trades to benefit AGSTPL. The use of a specific brokerage firm and Asmita Patel's association with it added another layer of deception to their scheme. Their actions showed a clear intent to deceive and defraud unsuspecting investors. AGSTPL's actions were a blatant disregard for the law and market integrity. They operated in the shadows, enriching themselves at the cost of others. The extent of their deception was shocking. SEBI's investigation revealed the depth of their fraudulent activities. SEBI, in response to its findings, took swift and decisive action. They issued show-cause notices to Asmita Patel, AGSTPL, and other entities involved in this scam. Market restraints were proposed to prevent them from further exploiting unsuspecting individuals. SEBI also directed them to refund the money they had collected through their unregistered advisory activities. SEBI didn't stop at just issuing notices. They took concrete steps to protect investors' money. They impounded a significant sum of rupees 53.67 crore from the 6 entities involved in this scam. This sent a strong message that SEBI will not tolerate market manipulation and fraudulent activities. The accounts of these entities were frozen. Banks were instructed to allow debits only for amounts exceeding the impounded sum. This ensured that the funds could potentially be used for refunds to the affected individuals. SEBI's actions were not just about punishing the wrongdoers, they were about restoring faith in the market. SEBI's actions serve as a strong deterrent against those who attempt to manipulate the market and defraud investors. Their swift action sends a clear message that such illegal activities will not be tolerated.